what's wrong with self-serving today is it operates much like the rest of the industry does. It's a dated process. You're dealing with machines that are industrial, like old metal ATM type keypads and heavily interactive. The technology is to make that much more smooth, make the transaction much easier, get the information back into your hands, fuel ticks, all that stuff easier, without having to maintain a printer, without having to maintain card readers. It's more secure, and it provides a much easier walk up to the pump, hit your app, fuel, and go. So how this is going to make it easier for an FBO operator is the machine is much less complex than those type of machines have been in the past. The amount of maintenance on this machine is going to be much less. The connectivity is much more advanced. We're able to use much more robust tools to ensure that the machine can always talk. So the app uses Bluetooth to talk to the device. The device is always listening for the Bluetooth. We use things like GPS even to narrow that down. There's actually a camera on the device that can also pull the tail number of the aircraft and read the tail number of the aircraft as you pull up, so it can even start to get ready before you even get up to the machine. And instead of the current process where you swipe a card, you type in a tail number through a keypad or something like that, it automatically recognizes you from everything you have in the app, put your stuff up there. From the app, you can, if I have a different aircraft today, I could change the aircraft. I can change my payment method from here, and it'll update the app. To begin fueling, hit the button, start fueling. Kicks on the pump. Guy goes fuels his airplane as he normally would.
We did.
Once he's done, he gets complete fueling. He can do that on the screen or on the app.
90s Evo kids.
And that's it, we're done. And then we have a receipt here we can send to ourselves. That's it, that's how fast the process is. The machine has diversity antennas for 2 different cellular networks. It has diversity antennas for mobile, so it's very reliable signal quality. We have the ability to use Starlink if the FBO is in a place where signal quality is an issue. So it's very flexible. For FBOs that aren't using self-serve machines, there's an obvious upside. It's less fuel trucks. It's much cheaper to fuel somebody through a self-serve unit than it is through the labor of the fuel truck and the guy in the truck.